Long time and I get girl, some boy just start. Tell them a levels to this. Girl a hunt man like shark anywhere man walk. Tell them a levels to this. Lord, levels to this. Girl a choose.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is super exciting because it's with a whole new company that I have never tried out before. So make sure you keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any new uploads, and turn on post notifications so you always know what I'm up to. Alright guys, so today's wig is from a company called Plug Fashions. This is the wig. When you receive your wig, it will come in a plastic Ziploc bag. I will also leave a link to the store and to this wig in the information box down below. You do get a little wig cap. Your wig comes in a hairnet. This wig is available in several colors. I did decide to go ahead and just get it in black. It also comes in a blonde color as well as a red color, but I just figured I'll just go with the natural color. So then it does have this tag that says Miss Wig on it. So there is one small comb at the top, no lace to cut off. There is adjustable straps in the back, but no comb. So there's only one comb in this wig. This wig is a full cap wig and no lace.
Pebbles to this. Man sharp like razor blade anywhere man walk. Tell them a levels to this. Anyway me tap in a the class boot ya. Be a girl a rush off for the shy youth ya.
So this wig is really pretty spiral curls. You could wear it straight out the pack like this, but you guys know I like to customize my wigs and make them my own, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Long time and I get girl, some boy just start. Tell them a levels to this. Girl a hunt man like shark anywhere man walk. Tell them a levels to this. Lord, levels to this. Girl a chose up pebbles to this. Man sharp like razor blade anywhere man walk. Tell them a levels to this. Me no have to say another word.
I think this wig is really beautiful and it looks really natural. This is the type of wig that the more you wear it, the more the texture gets more and more natural. It gets a little slightly frizzier and the hair just starts to look more natural. Right now, I just love what this wig is giving me. It's giving me like just really sexy, cute vibes, and I'm really loving it. Everything about this wig I think is bomb. I'm trying to figure out a downside of this wig and I don't really have one. It's rare that curly wigs are just, you know, this fire like straight out the pack. Especially for the price, this wig is extremely affordable. So yeah, I would definitely say check out Plug Fashions because this wig is really bomb, and to me it's giving me like roller set, rod set type of, or maybe even like a crochet type of vibe. To me this looks like maybe it could be like a braidless crochet style. I love how full the wig is. I'm just loving everything about this wig. I feel like you could also kind of like push the bangs over a little bit. Like it's a versatile wig. I think you could just do a lot with it. And it's just an easy throw on and go wig. I'm really happy with it. And I would definitely suggest going to check out Plug Fashions. Now, Plug Fashions is not necessarily a wig store. They actually have a lot more clothes than they do hair. But there is hair on the site. And this is one of their units. So definitely go check them out. If you have questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer you. And if you do go check out Plug Fashions, make sure you tell them Jess the Dragoness sent you. Alright you guys, you know you need to stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.
Well easy, me no have to search, no have to preach, me no dey in a no church. Me a go wild till you see me in the earth, the kids after that, and me them have to research. Long time and I get girl, some boy just start. Tell them a levels to this. Girl a hunt man like shark anywhere man walk. Tell them a level.